In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a GeForce Now membership. If you've decided that you no longer want to keep your paid GeForce Now plan, the process is fairly straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to downgrade your membership to the free plan so you can avoid confusion and make sure the change goes through properly. To begin, sign in to your NVIDIA account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've created more than one in the past. Your GeForce Now membership is tied directly to that account, so it's important to log in with the one that currently has the active subscription. Once you're signed in, open the GeForce Now membership page. This is where NVIDIA shows your current plan details and account options related to your subscription. Take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the right membership before moving forward. Next, select Manage Membership. This option will open the settings for your current plan and allow you to make changes. If you don't see it right away, look carefully around the membership section since the layout may vary slightly depending on the device or browser you're using. From there, choose Free Membership. This means you're downgrading from your current paid plan to the free plan rather than fully deleting your account. That distinction is important because canceling in this case usually means stopping future paid billing while keeping access to the service at the free tier. After selecting the free plan, review the cancellation details. Read through the information on when your paid benefits will end, whether you'll continue to have access until the end of the current billing period, and any other account-related notes NVIDIA provides. This is a good time to slow down and make sure you understand exactly what will change after the downgrade. When you're ready, confirm the downgrade. This final confirmation tells NVIDIA to process your membership change. Be careful not to close the page too early and wait for the system to finish updating your account. Finally, wait for the confirmation message or email. In most cases, you should see an on-screen confirmation that your membership has been changed, and you may also receive an email for your records. It's a good idea to keep that confirmation until you're sure the downgrade has been completed successfully. And that's it. Once confirmed, your GeForce Now membership will be set to the free plan according to the cancellation terms shown on your account.